I can say that the civil service also a lot of principles of ethical leadership apply as well. And what is ethics? What is ethical leadership in the civil service? You see, it is not just financial honesty. One thing is honesty, of course. ईमानदारी तो होनी ही चाहिए. आपको ईमान नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको ईमानदार होना चाहिए. वो तो आपकी फर्ज है, आपकी ड्यूटी है, because you are accountable for public money. But beyond that is the concept of integrity. Integrity is much more than that. Integrity is professional integrity. And what is the professional integrity of the civil servant? That he must do the right thing by the constitution, the right thing by our democratic institutions. He must do the right thing by the rule of law. He must do the right thing for the oppressed classes of the country. If you do that, then you are being an ethical civil servant. That is, so what is defined by the civil servant? He should be transparent, he should be accountable, he should be fair and objective, he should have empathy, he should have compassion for the poor. So these are the qualities. He should have sense of public service. He should have a lot of fairness and objectivity in his deeds. If these are the qualities there, then he is an ethical civil servant. So this is what is ethical leadership all about. You know, if you don't have empathy, you cannot be an ethical leader. Empathy means, to put it very simply, there are a lot of it is about having emotional intelligence. You have understanding the other person. And what is emotional intelligence? The first thing about emotional intelligence is self-awareness. जब तक आदमी अपने आप को नहीं जानेगा, उसके अंदर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस या एम्पैथी नहीं हो सकती. The first thing is to know yourself, understand yourself, who you are, what motivates you, what makes you angry, what makes you unhappy, what makes you happy, what do you exist for, what is the sense and purpose of life. These are the things which are important. Emotional intelligence and empathy is important. Empathy means understanding the other person and what the other person is going through. And then we go beyond empathy, we go to compassion. Compassion होना चाहिए. Compassion. Compassion is more than mercy. It's compassion. Feeling for the poor, for the underprivileged, the masses who are toiling, who are not yet. अब देखिए, आज जो है वहाँ पे किसने रेस्क्यू कराया? रेड होल माइनर्स से रेस्क्यू कराया 41 लोगों को. रेड होल माइनर्स के बारे में पढ़िए उनकी कैसी जिंदगी है, कैसे जीते हैं, कितना उनको जीने को मिलता है पर डे. What do they earn? How do they live? Yet they save those 41 people. It is about these people that you must have compassion, about understanding and how you can do what you can do for them. How you can educate them, how you can give them better health care, how you can provide better for them, to give them real equality of opportunity. If you give such people real equality of opportunity, then you are talking about ethical leadership. This is what ethical civil service is all about. This is what ethical politics is all about.